Good morning, traders. This is Jakub from FINEIGHT, and we will talk about TTEK ticker, what we expect from this trade, and if there is some entry or not. We'll again start on a weekly chart to do some short analysis, and then we will switch to daily chart to find the exact entry. Who stopped the market? As you can see here, market dropped from 100 to 64. Okay, that's crazy, almost 40 points. So who stopped the market? The answer is simple: insiders. As I mentioned in many videos before, I really have to see that insiders increase their positions in a long market. So they are the group who stopped the market because they believe that the price will go higher. So again, I need fundamental background behind this trade, and I have it. So now I can move to price action analysis. I always draw trend lines again, so I draw trend line from January 2016 and December 2018. There is one interesting point. Look, market stopped near the trend line, not at the trend line. But I really don't care because I can draw a new trend line if I take this point. And look what's really interesting. I'll use these areas or these lows because market stopped at this trend line. Okay, and look what happened here with the trend line. Market confirmed this broken trend line. Again, here there was inside out trade from the trend line. Okay, I'll change the color of the trend line, for example, to orange. So market confirmed here that the trend line is respected. And so we can say, okay, market stopped at the trend line. Again, we have very nice wicks here, so we see rejection. We see that the auction to the downside was completed because lower prices were rejected. So we have very strong support level due to the trend line, and we have rejection here again. And insider, the fundamental background showed that insiders increased their positions. So again, we can prepare for a very nice rally. I also tried to draw a Fibonacci retracement here if I connect this pivot high and this pivot low. And you can see that now we are at a 50% retracement. Again, and many traders use Fibonacci retracement tool. So it's very good to know if there is some strong Fibonacci level or not. And in this case, we have 50% retracement. If we switch or if you look at this high, again, that's very strong high because it's a high from 2018. Now we are above this high. Okay, so again, market stopped here, market stopped here. So that's very strong support level. And now we are slightly above the zone. If you look at the volume profile here, I have a question mark here and I'll talk about it later. But now there is a very nice low volume node there. Maybe you can see it here. So it's again very strong support level. To sum it up, we have a trend line. We see a rejection here. We see that we have 50% of retracement, with Fibonacci retracement. We have a major high here. Okay, we have low volume node here. Too many support levels below the market. So, and insiders are increasing their positions. It's a very strong pattern. Okay, that's the reason why I expect prices go higher. So what about this question mark? There's one interesting thing. Look at this wall. That's really crazy high volume node. Market will have a problem to go through this zone. Prepare for that, okay? So if you enter trade here, prepare that market will have a problem to pass through this high volume area because it's really wide. Look, okay, from 78.27 to, let's say, 81. Okay, so it's really big high volume area. So market will have a problem to go through that. Just prepare for that. Don't panic. Now we'll switch to daily chart and I'll explain what I see there. This is the zone from a weekly perspective. Look, market stopped here, stopped here, stopped here, stopped here, stopped here. This zone is really respected. And now we can wait until we see first green bar, because market tried to go again below the zone, and again near the trend line, near the weekly orange trend line from a weekly chart. And look at this nice wick. Okay, if you look at this candle, opened, try to break down, and it's again above the zone. So this is the pin bar. So we can say that lower prices are no longer accepted. But I want extra confirmation, so I would wait for first green bar to open and trade. What's really interesting, we are behind the trend line. If we draw, for example, this trend line, we can say that we are above the trend line, so I can open that trade. Your stop loss can be, for example, below this candle that completed the pin bar, because if we break the trend line again, and I think we can go lower. So this is, I would say, very good trade, because we can say that we have many confirmations for this trade. So again, we have insiders, we have trend lines, we have Fibonacci retracement, we have very nice support levels, we have volume area, some value area, and we see some rejection on daily bar too. And this is very interesting. Maybe last point, look here, price went through this zone, through this price level very quickly, and again here. So I know it's not a gap, but market has tendency to fill areas which were traded very quickly. This is the area, so it's a magnet for the market. Okay, here. So that's the reason why I see another point for long trade. Thank you for your attention, guys, and enjoy your trades. Bye.